Hi everyone. Well, since it's Christmas, I've decided I'm gonna make a few Christmas storybooks for the little boy. All these printouts I got from My Froggy Stuff. You can look at my channel list. You will find them there. I'm subscribed to them. I love Toya. She's I don't think I missed any of their videos. So and they give me so much inspiration as well. So yeah, these books, all of them came from My Froggy Stuff. So yeah, thank you My Froggy Stuff for your free printouts. So first I'm just gonna cut out everything, all the books that I'm going, and this is real story books. You can really, okay, my eyes is not so good anymore, but yeah, you can really read the books there. And then some of them is just a cover that you put cardboard, so I'm going to use the cardboard, and mostly I'm going to use a glue stick. Believe me, this books is not easy to make. It's so small, so I already made some of them the best way I could. But yeah, there is some of my books. As you can see, it can open, you can read it. That's Bells, the little Christmas story. And then this is gamer book for all his, he's just a gamer. And then this one is Pixels is the book's name. So yeah, I'm gonna show you with the larger one. I think it would be easy for you to see as well to make it. So maybe the fourth time lucky, and this will work out fine. So first I'm gonna do the cover. I should take normal just sellotape and put it over the cover. I'm just going to use paper and then the glue stick here. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut it out. And also the corners here. Fast forward. Okay, and then I'm going to fold it on the lines here. As straight as I can. And then I'm going to fold this the book in accordion way. Okay, this must be on top because I'm going to paste that in there. So start this way. I guess I try to do it a straight fold, and then I first fold that one. And then you just paste these two, just his right sides, just paste these two pieces together. So then the back side, I'm just gonna paste it on the fold here in the center. And then this piece is here. Okay, so this book didn't come out so bad. Maybe it's because it's bigger, it's easier. Because a toy always makes it look so easy, but believe me, it's not so easy. So, okay, this is another book. This one is much easier. This is just a cover. I already also made one here, and just it fits over like a piece of foam board. So yeah, just gonna make this. Already cut it out. So just also going to put tape over it. And then and there you go. That's much easier. And there's another book. So yeah, there's a few books for the boys' room. I'm gonna put it in his room. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and yeah, again, thank you Froggy Stuff for allow us to use your printouts. Bye.